Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
Turn your coloring books into viral short videos with TubeForge. Let's log in. Welcome to the TubeForge dashboard. As you can see, the interface is highly intuitive. You can expand this quick guide to see the 5 simple steps for making a viral video. When you're ready, head over to the left menu and select Create. Step 1 is uploading your artwork. Click the upload box to browse your computer. It accepts standard formats like PDF, PNG, or JPEG. I'm going to find and select a cute character drawing from my recent projects and hit Open. For the template, I'll stick with the classic macro coloring effect to give it that authentic, hand-drawn feel. First, I'll type in my book title, Cute Animal Coloring Book. Next is the hook. TubeForge has a massive built-in library of viral hooks categorized by themes like kids, adults, holidays, and more. I'll pick a proven hook, 20 quiet minutes, 0 screens. Then, add a strong call to action like get the full book, link in bio to boost sales. You can easily limit the duration. You can choose from 4 music moods. TubeForge offers various camera angles, but I'll use static wide so viewers can see the full illustration unfold. All these options give you complete control over your video's vibe. Make sure sound effects are checked. Now, click Preview and let the magic happen. The tool quickly analyzes the lines of your drawing and generates a perfect coloring path. Just look at how smooth and satisfying that is. There's no camera to set up, no lighting to fix, and no need to actually color it yourself. While the visual is captivating, the real secret sauce is the audio. The ASMR macro sound is perfectly synced with the movement, creating a deeply relaxing experience. Faceless videos exactly like this are dominating the algorithms right now because viewers just want to stay and watch until the picture is finished. Once you are totally happy with how the preview looks, scroll down and hit Render Video. The system is now rendering your high-definition H.264 MP4 file. This process is fully cloud-based, saving your computer's resources. In seconds, it turns everything into a complete, ready-to-post coloring video. When it's done, the save prompt appears. Just choose your folder, hit save, and your file is ready to go. Let's open up the downloaded file and check the final result. It looks incredibly professional. The colors pop, the audio is crisp, and it seamlessly transitions into our call to action at the end.